In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode in Google Sheets. As we all know, working late into the evening or in low-light environments can strain our eyes, and having a dark mode setting can make all the difference in providing comfort and reducing eye fatigue. Let's dive into the simple steps to enable this feature using a Chrome extension. First, you'll need to open a Google Sheet. You can do this by going to your Google Drive, clicking on New, and then selecting Google Sheets. Once your spreadsheet is open, we can move on to the next step, which is about setting up the required extension for dark mode. Now, head over to your web browser and, in a new tab, search for the Chrome Web Store. The Chrome Web Store is where we can find various extensions that enhance our browsing experience. Simply type Chrome Web Store into the search bar and hit Enter. Among the search results, look for and click the link that will take you to the direct Chrome Web Store page. Once you're at the Chrome Web Store, it's time to search for our specific tool. In the search bar of the Chrome Web Store, you'll want to type Dark Mode Night Eye. This particular extension is known for its reliability in providing a seamless dark mode experience across various websites, including Google Sheets. Once you find it, click on the extension. Now let's proceed to add this extension to your browser. Find the Add to Chrome button on the main page of the Dark Mode Night Eye extension. Once you've located it, go ahead and click this button. A prompt will appear asking for you to confirm the installation. This is a standard security measure to ensure you agree to any permissions the extension might require. When you're ready, click Add Extension to proceed. With the extension now installed, it's time to see it in action. Return to your open Google Sheet from before. To ensure that the dark mode settings are correctly applied, you'll need to refresh the page. This is a crucial step as it allows the installed extension to apply its magic to the web page. And there you go. Once the page has reloaded, you should notice the comforting change as your Google Sheet is now displayed in dark mode. If you ever wish to revert back, you can easily disable or remove the extension through your browser's settings. Remember, using dark mode can significantly enhance your productivity and reduce eye strain in low light conditions. It's these small tweaks that can enhance your digital workspace. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in setting up dark mode in Google Sheets. Enjoy the newfound comfort while working.